being natural and being organic and being pure, and that's something I've always tried to achieve. And I know Body Shop has those exact same ideals, which is why when I was signed on as brand ambassador, I was extremely happy because we're just on the same wavelength, and we have the same values and qualities and ideas towards life. So yeah, I think like the representation is ideal. I'm very excited that Roy is releasing on Valentine's Day because Roy is actually a suspense drama, but it's also a very romantic love story. So I think it would be the perfect watch, to go see on Valentine's. मेरे पास एक प्लान नहीं है क्योंकि मतलब रोमांटिक प्लान नहीं है क्योंकि मैं रॉय का प्रीमियर के लिए जा रही हूँ और I think actually that will probably be the best way I can celebrate Valentine's Day.